It is with a humble request from my friend Kevin Musyoka. He told me, Mose, can you make a video about how to make money online in Kenya? So my name is called Moses Wamkota. I do post it twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. If you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So stick to the end of this video so that you can reveal a social media that has made me a tons of money at the end of this video. There are several ways in which you can make money online in Kenya, and one of them is through transcription. Transcription is simply converting audio or video into text. And there are several transcription companies that you can join and then start transcribing here in Kenya. We have AudioBee and Transcription for Everyone. These are websites that are looking to employ qualified transcribers and editors to handle overflow work from their clients. And the requirement here is pretty simple. You need to have a laptop and a high-speed internet. You need to have computer skills and ability to learn and practice, and also you need to have a good grammar skills. And most of these transcription companies pays from $15 to $23 per hour. And you need to put work upfront before you get this payment. And the payment method here basically is through PayPal. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google, then type in AudioBee, then sign up. Take these transcription quizzes. Once approved, you will start taking transcription jobs on this website. So you may ask me, Mose, are there other transcription companies that you can join? Yes. We have Scribie, we have happyscribe.com, we have Rave, we have GMR transcription, and also you can join Appenny. Appenny, this is a company that has got also transcription jobs. Now, Kevin, the other way in which you can make money online in Kenya is through article writing. Now, article writing is the best type of job that you can take and then start working online in Kenya, because there are many clients who needs these articles. So if you take this article writing serious, you can end up making 6 figures every month. And the best part is that you will not be writing these articles on your own. We have tools that you can use to write articles. For example, we have ChatGPT, we have Google Gemini. These are the best tools out there to help you to write articles for free. We have other paid tools, but you can use this one for free. Now, a 300-word article, you can get from $10 to $11. A 600-word article, you can get $23. And a 1,000-words article, you can be paid $57. And a 1,500 words article, you can be paid $94. And a 2,000 word article, you can be paid from $140. So Wamkota, what is the name of the website? The name of the website is called Verbilio. Now to apply, you can head on to this website called verbilio.com, then submit your writing samples and pass through that simple quizzes on their website. Once approved, they will contact you via the email that you registered with. And the payment method here is through bank, and they pay weekly. I hope, Kevin, we are still together with you. Now, if you can share your AI knowledge through writing article for analytic engineers, this is a place for you. This website is looking for 3 types of articles: data insight, data news, and tutorials. And the cool thing with this website is that they pay up to $900 per article upon approval. Now you can take $900 times 150 shillings. Is not that a good amount of money that you can make? Now the website name is called airbyte.com. So what you need to do is that you can head on to airbyte.com, then sign up, then follow article writing instructions. Once you will be approved, you will start making money on this website. And before you start writing for this website, a tip for you: you can head on to this website and look at the structure of the articles in which other people are writing, the flow and the length, before you start writing article for this website. There are many websites in which you can write article and be paid. We have Constant Content, we have talentdesire.com, and allfreelancerwritings.com. If you want to know more about article writing websites, there is a link in the description here where you can reach me personally and tell you other websites that you can try writing articles for. Another way of making money online in Kenya is through selling your services on Fiverr. Fiverr is the greatest freelancing website that clients come here to look for certain services. You can be a logo designer and then design logos for clients and make this side hustle your full-time job. Not only logo, you can venture into thumbnail. You can make thumbnails and then sell to YouTube creators on this website. You can also be a graphic designer. You can design graphics, then sell your services on this Fiverr. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google and then type in fiverr.com. Once you have typed in fiverr.com, you can sign up as a freelancer, then start making money online as a part-time or full-time on this website. Another easiest way to make money online is starting a YouTube channel. People are making millions of shillings through YouTube channel. Now, if you have passion on pranks, vlogging or cooking, you can start your own YouTube channel, then start making money online. So what you need to do is that you have to create a high quality engaging content on this YouTube. Make sure to stick on one niche or topic. Don't confuse the algorithm by posting other topics. For example, you might be in the niche of cooking. Then the next video, you make a video about helicopter engines. It means that you will be confusing the viewers or algorithm to know which specifically topics are you interested in. So to make money on YouTube, what you need to do is that you need to have 4,000 watch hours and then 1,000 subscribers. Then you can turn on monetization, which is pretty simple to get that 4,000 watch hours. I have several YouTube channels that are monetized, and this is the best way to make money online in Kenya. Additionally, you can make money online in Kenya through promoting products on TikTok. Now, to do this, you need to join affiliate networks. Once you have joined affiliate networks, you can start promoting those products on your TikTok bio. And this is the best way in which people are making tons of shillings through this method. Now, to do this, what you need to do is that you have to do some research. You have to go online and then look at what people are purchasing. Then make short videos on those products. Then take that link and then incorporate it into your TikTok bio. So once people will be watching those products, they will end up purchasing those products via your link in the TikTok bio. Now, here are some examples of best affiliates that you can join in 2024. One of them is called Rakuten. We have also Amazon Associate. We have also CJ and ClickBank. Now, you cannot end up making one video per day, then wait to get some money. No, you need to be proactive, my brothers. You need to be persistent. You need to be consistent. And once you get the first sale, these people will be coming back to buy more and more. So you need to upload more videos. You need to do research. You need to put up a high quality engaging content. And then you will start making money here on TikTok. So we have come to the end of this video. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to help you to start a faceless YouTube channel, there is a link in the description where you can reach to me privately and then tell me that Mose, I need you to help me to create a faceless YouTube channel, and I'll be charging you a small amount of money, not so big. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. God bless you. It's your boy, your son, your brother, Moses Wamukota. From US here, God bless you. Bye.